who is most beneficial and most necessary. Respected teachers, esteemed guests, and dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I am Arsal Imtiaz from class first year, and firstly, I would like to begin with by expressing my heartfelt gratitude for the honor to speak up today. It is a profound honor and a great privilege to stand before such a distinguished audience and to address on an auspicious and momentous occasion. Your presence greatly elevates this event, adding a special infusing it with a special warmth. Today is the day of immense joy and pride for all of us as we gather here today to celebrate not just one event but three significant milestones. First and foremost, we commemorate the 77th independence of the Pakistani nation when the day when the Pakistan appeared on the world map. This day marks the culmination of our ancestors' relentless efforts, unwavering determination, and countless sacrifice led by the visionary leader Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah in order to secure a land where we could live with dignity, freedom, and peace, and to follow our golden principles of our religion. Secondly, we celebrate the successive 7th anniversary of our institution, Shoaib Coaching Center, an institution that has diligently nurtured the young minds and cultivated a culture of learning and excellence over the past 7 years, thanks to all individuals involved in making this place remarkable. Lastly, we extend a warm welcome to our new fellows of our Shoaib Coaching Center. You are embarking with us on a journey, on an exciting journey, and we are thrilled to have as a part of our vibrant community. Along at SCC, along with the knowledge, you will also develop values of integrity, discipline, and social responsibility. And we are looking forward to see you grow and succeed in all your endeavors. As we celebrate these events, now let us take a moment to reflect on the visions of the great Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, whose foresight and leadership have shaped the nation where we stand in today. His vision continues to guide us, and it is our duty to uphold the values he cherished. Number first, a democratic Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam envisioned a Pakistan as a democratic nation where the power truly rests with the people. He believed that the democracy is not only just casting the vote, but about the active participation in the governance of the country. In his view, every citizen must have a voice and government must be held accountable to the people. If we neglect our democratic responsibilities, evils like corruption, nepotism, jobbery and injustice could take root, eroding the very foundation of our nation. Therefore, it is our duty to engage actively in the democratic processes, to vote wisely, and to ensure that our leaders uphold the values of justice, fairness, and equality. Number two, a progressive and inclusive society. The Quaid-e-Azam dreamed of a Pakistan, a state where every citizen is treated and respected equally, regardless on the basis of power, culture, caste, or creed. He was a staunch advocate for the minority right and envisioned a society that promotes diversity. In a truly progressive and inclusive society, everyone can contribute to the nation's success. However, if we allow prejudice, discrimination and intolerance to take the hold, we risk dividing our nation and stalling our collective progress. Third, economic prosperity. Quaid-e-Azam understood that economic stability is the backbone of a strong and independent nation. He emphasized that hard work, integrity, and honesty are essential in building a prosperous Pakistan. We cannot hope without economic stability, we cannot hope to achieve a true independence or security. A weak economy makes us vulnerable to external pressures and limits our ability to enhance the quality of our life. Number four, education as a priority. The Quaid-e-Azam understood that education is the key to the future. He envisioned a Pakistan where every child has access to the quality education. If we fail to prioritize the education, we risk stagnation as the poorly educated populace cannot contribute to the nation's success and leaving us unprepared to face the challenges of the modern world. At SCC, we are deeply committed to this vision by providing a nurtured environment that encourage curiosity, critical thinking, and continuous learning. It is up to us to carry forward this legacy by uprooting the education and putting it to increase the positive impact on our society. Succinctly, Kai's vision for Pakistan: a democratic, inclusive, economically strong, and educated nation is not just a goal but a blueprint of our collective success. If we fail to honor those, we risk undoing the progress that has been made and hindering the nation's progress. Let us remember that the strength of our nation lies in unity, our commitment to justice, and our dedication to the principles of hard work and education. By doing so, we ensure that the sacrifice of our forefathers and the dreams of the Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah and honorary leaders are honored and appreciated. In the word of Quaid-e-Azam himself, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. Those who strive never lose. Lastly, I want to wish you all a happy Independence Day and thank you for being here thanks for being here and making this occasion truly memorable. Pakistan Zindabad.
जिंदाबाद.